Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to increase jump in volleyball, only way. Start with a focused warm-up and teach your body to produce faster force. Perform 3 sets of explosive squats, 3 plyo drills, and 1 mobility circuit. Track rep quality over quantity and add small load increases weekly. Rest and recovery are essential, so sleep, nutrition, and targeted soft tissue work must support your training for real gains. Build a strong foundation by prioritizing heavy compound lifts and consistent practice. Use squats, deadlifts, and split squats for balance, strength, and injury prevention. Focus on controlled eccentric phases and explosive concentric efforts to teach muscles to generate power quickly. Keep sessions short and intense, and pair them with mobility work for hips and ankles. Track progress with vertical measures and adjust loads to keep improving safely and steadily. If you're finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep your training meals ready after hard sessions, which helps recovery and consistency. They stack well, seal tightly, and save time so you can focus on training, not spills. Peek in the description for the link and extra deals, and now let's get back to the video. Plyometrics are the link between strength and sport-specific jumping ability. Start with low-impact hops and progress to depth jumps and single-leg bounds, emphasizing quick ground contact and full hip extension. Combine these with approach drills that sync footwork and arm swing to generate more upward momentum. Keep technique clean over volume to avoid injury, and record jumps regularly to spot subtle improvements in timing and posture for sustained gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.